Alright, so I'm playing gun game. I believe this is a new round. I tried doing something there, but I don't know what I was trying to do. Oh, what? Oh, that's scary. I honestly don't like that. Oh, God. I'm trying to get a headshot right here. Oh, what? I didn't even hear that. I hate this gun. Bro. I had my aim on him. Look, I'm getting it again. So. Oh, what? That made me nauseated for some reason. I know that. Diddling you at 90 miles per hour. Diddling. I hate this gun. With a passion. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm getting the feel of this. Oh, yeah, I got him, though. Yeah. Certainly. Yo! What the fuck was that? He disappeared, I guess. Oh, that's confusing. I'm trying to get away from this dude. What the hell is he doing? Oh, yeah. I hate this also. Let me get over in your head. I heard pot. Same dude. Same dude. It's freaking. I love his shirt. Oh my god. I need that shirt. Look, I'm buying here. Brother, let me get the shirt. I figured it. No. I'll buy it after. Oh, I hate this. Oh, that's some fuck shit. Oh, what the hell? What? He's so low. Haha. Noob, get noob. Magic. 6-7. I legit hate this gun. Oh yeah. I just got 6-7. Oh, that's so funny. Bro, I had to fucking press on the gun. My gun's trash. Point blank to his face. Oh my god, how did I not die? Fuck shit. Oh god. Not like we wanna know. Oh. E-boy. The king got Fortnite. Oh my god, alright. Equip. I want that gun, it looks cool. Huh. Me want, me want, me want, me want, me want, me want, me want. Huh. I hope this music isn't copyrighted. Wow. Okay. Really? Okay, well that's bullshit. Abilities. And I don't really use this one. Do I have that? Yeah, I do. I have this one. Oh. Oh shit. Oh, that one costs gems. That's so funny. I really want this one. I think I should spend it on skins, you know? Me want skins. Oh. Oh, I bought all. I put them all. Ah, almost. Hell yeah. Damn. Something good, something good. I got blue one and a purple now. Purple. Alright, so it does say which one it's for. Lava forages. And fruit launcher. Last one, let's see. RPG. I should low-key get the RPG. I wonder if it costs money. Let's see. Yeah, it costs coins. I was gonna spend diamonds, but it don't cost diamonds. Alright. I will see you guys next video.